So last time, what did we do last time? Oh, that was it. We was doing clear packages, thumbnails and cache. So that was all set up. I've been having a little play this morning and finally got this working to restore a local build. I have to find a couple of things at the top. These four for a start, which is just getting information out of your settings.xml, where the ID is. That's information that we'll be pulling. So it'll be valued paths on that, whatever you set in the settings when you open it. Like so. So now you got add-on settings because you've done that. There you go. So you got local zip. So where it says path to values, that must be a default thing. So you just go and find your local zip and just press OK on it, and that'll set that path from there. Your backup storage location type equals folder, so you're just choosing to a folder where you want to back it up to. We'll do that next time. We're just at the moment just going to, yeah, this time we'll just be restoring a local zip file. I'll say I've added these at the top. Define these, just if you ever want to use them. They're there, they're ready. I think we done packages last time, and I've added in home. These you might be able to get rid of, but it's just when I was messing about earlier. So I've also taken off, I think restore it was called. I've deleted that and called it something else. So where you've got restore local build, change that to number 7. This is where to store a local zip. Okay, and where are we? Down here, called it extract. That's all it's doing, where it is extracting a zip. And then down there, number 7, extract. We're not bringing anything into it, so you don't need anything in the brackets. Like I say, I was using your local zip. So I was using local zip, which is add-on get settings, which you've set in the settings for local zip. We've stuck that on the end. Yeah, so I need to change this around a bit actually, so I might just redo it, because I found this is really good. File name equals xbmc GUI.dialog in brackets, and then you've got .browse. Not 100% on these. I'll have to have a look at the xbmc py file to find out what all these are relating to, but if you change this, that's your header. Files.zip false and false, and this is relating to your zip file, I believe. But what that does, and it's quite good, I was quite impressed, is just allows you to, when you press on it, look, you can hunt through and find your zip file, which I thought was quite good. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, so put that in. If file name equals nothing, then it will return. So if you don't pick a file, then it will return. But what we will do is put if os.path.exists and local zip, which we've defined up the top, as whatever you put in the settings, then we'll do that. Then we'll do that, and then we want to extract. So if our local zip exists, it'll do that. It'll show you defining local zip in there. Otherwise, your build is downloading. It may take several minutes. We'll stick that in as a dp.create. I think you need to stick one before. I'm not sure if it was the download or the extract PY file, but put that in, so it'll create that. Your build's downloading, and then it should give you a dialog like a progress bar, and then at the end it will say it's extracted, and you've got to force close for it to take effect. Otherwise it won't otherwise it'll rewrite the GUI when you close Kodi with what you've got, so you won't get your menus or anything. So yeah, get rid of that, and then else set backup path. You need to set up a valid file location and put zip files so they know which one when they open the settings. Oh, we can go onto it here. ESL no local zip. It should be pretty straightforward. So yeah, you got dialog.ok. Set backup path location, so it's going to set the backup path, and then it'll open the settings for you to do that. And then when you close, I think it normally errors if you don't do anything, or they might not be sure, so I've just put another OK box to say now do it again. Now it's set, try again, and then it should go into this bit of code because it'll exist. So yeah, that's it simply, and it works pretty well. I'm quite impressed with this little find here. I'll try and use it for some other stuff, but yeah, you could probably use that for your backup as well, to be fair, unless it's got to be a file. See, I'm not 100% on this. I'm going to have to Google this myself and have a look. Should have a look while you're here. Yeah, 2 seconds. Right, so yeah, I've just copied the code and put it into Google. It's normally the best way to have a little look. What we got? I'm currently going through the Python docs. So you got type, heading, shares, extra. Yeah, I'll say so. Sometimes hard to find stuff. That's why I've tried to do this. Just because you'll end up aimlessly trolling through Google and coming out none the wiser. So yeah, unfortunately that's what you're gonna have to do, because you're only sitting here watching me do it. So much good. When you run the script, that is meant to show all available partitions, but it only shows the cache partitions. Oh, I don't know. So I'll have to find the actual thing and have a look through and hopefully let you know another time. But that's it basically. What we'll do, Kodi, I'll just show you it working away. So if you go on there, add on settings, local zip, mines, Shouldn't need the GUI, I just tried it and it didn't need the GUI settings, so press on that, press OK, and the wizard, maintenance, restore local build, and then choose that zip again. It's probably doing stuff it doesn't need to be doing, but we'll just press on it anyway. There you go, it's extracting. You can see it's going pretty quickly to be fair. And that's all it's doing, it's just extracting all your files to here. You see, look at it go. Quite a few there. Oh, careful, John. So, sorry about that. Yeah, so it's all extracted. It should do user data as well. You'll have all your add-on data in there. So basically, it's whatever you've zipped up before, it will go to this file and just extract it all. So obviously, whatever's in there, it just overrides. It sticks all your things in, and there you go. So that's it, and then it will say to make sure that you force close, which is on Windows, Control or Delete, and then task. Android, you got to go into your system, press your home button on your remote, go into settings, other, more settings, apps, Kodi, and then force stop. I believe, I'm just saying off the top of my head, so don't hang me if I'm wrong, just don't press the power button on the bottom left of Kodi to exit, because otherwise that'll rewrite your GUI settings and nothing will stick. So you'll just be left with a blank Kodi basically. There you go, so if you exit that way, it won't stick properly. You'll just end up with all your add-ons and none of the menus or whatever's been set up before. Okay, so that's extracting a local zip. Yeah, you'll probably want to pause it a couple of times, copy the code down, but it's relatively simple. So yeah, next time, once we've worked it out, we'll do backing up, and that'll be the last one for the wizard, and maybe some other little bits. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.